Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome again, guys. Welcome back to another video lecture by Kami Microbiologist. So we talked about different videos in the series, and this is about the blood smear. Now this is our 6th or 7th video lecture that is regarded to the blood smear, and in this video lecture we are going to explain band neutrophils. Okay, we are going to see band neutrophils, we are going to see nucleated neutrophils, and we are going to see blast cells. So first of all, let's explain the band neutrophils. So band neutrophils have a band nucleus. This is the band nucleus. When the cells have a band nucleus, we call that band cells or band neutrophils. These band neutrophils will be present when there is infectious diseases, like we can say sepsis, appendicitis, pneumonia, or any other inflammatory disease, and due to this way, when the band cells are produced from the bone marrow, we call that band cells, and it is actually the immature neutrophils. Okay, now this is about the band cells. Then we have the blast cells. Now these are the blast cells. They have large in size, and it is also the white blood cell, but it is the abnormal cells of the white blood cell, so we call it blast cells. Okay, they have purple or bluish in color, as you can see. Now these blast cells will be present in the bloodstream when there is a leukemia disease, means when there is a blood cancer, then these cells will be occur. So the blast cells will be present when you see in the field of the microscope there is a blast cell. So then remember, it will be the cancer condition, it will be the blood cancer condition. Okay, so this blast cell will be present in case of leukemia, like we can say ALL, acute lymphoid leukemia, CML, chronic myeloid leukemia, CLL, chronic lymphoid leukemia, and AML, acute myeloid leukemia. So these are the types of the leukemia, and in leukemia cases the blast cell will be present. Then we have nucleated RBC. As the name suggests, nucleated RBC are those that have a nucleus. So we can also say that RBC do not have a nucleus, mature RBC, but this is the immature RBC that have the nucleus. Okay, so you can see this is the field of the microscope, and every field of the microscope you can see the nucleated RBC. Now nucleated RBC will be present due to hemolytic anemia, severe infection, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, myelodysplastic syndrome, bone marrow disorder, maternal fetal complications. So due to this way, the nucleated RBC will be present. So this is all about the three main cell structure that will be present in abnormal condition. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.